Welcome to the Global Eye YouTube channel, where we explore the wonders of science and history. Few scientific theories are as fundamental to our understanding of life as cell theory. It tells us that all living things, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, are made up of cells. These tiny units of life are the building blocks of everything that lives and breathes. But our journey into the microscopic world began somewhat humbly, with a Dutch spectacle maker named Zacharias Janssen. In the early 1600s, Janssen is believed to have invented the first compound microscope. This invention, though its origins are shrouded in some mystery, opened up a whole new world to human observation. Imagine the excitement of seeing things that were previously invisible to the naked eye. Suddenly, scientists had a tool to delve into the hidden intricacies of life. Janssen's invention, however, was just the beginning. It was like discovering a new continent, ripe for exploration. The microscope provided the means, but it was the curiosity and ingenuity of scientists that would truly illuminate the hidden world of cells. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, another Dutchman, was one of the first explorers of this microscopic realm. Driven by an insatiable curiosity, he went further than simply using existing microscopes. He built his own. These single-lens microscopes were incredibly powerful for their time. Through his meticulously crafted lenses, Leeuwenhoek observed things that no one had ever seen before. Imagine his surprise when he discovered tiny creatures swimming about in a drop of pond water. He called them animalcules, which translates to little animals. These tiny creatures are what we now know as bacteria. At around the same time, English scientist Robert Hooke was conducting his own microscopic investigations. Examining a thin slice of cork, he observed a network of small box-like compartments. He named these compartments cells because they reminded him of the small rooms inhabited by monks in a monastery. The discoveries of Leeuwenhoek and Hooke provided the first glimpses into the cellular world, but it was the work of Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann that truly solidified the foundations of cell theory. Schleiden, a German botanist, devoted himself to studying plants. He meticulously examined plant tissues under the microscope and came to a remarkable conclusion: all plants are made up of cells. Meanwhile, Schwann, a German physiologist, was busy studying animal tissues. He too observed that all the animals he examined were composed of cells. This was a pivotal moment in the history of biology. It highlighted a fundamental unity in life's design, bridging the gap between the plant and animal kingdoms. Together, Schleiden and Schwann proposed the first two tenets of cell theory. First, they stated that all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. Second, they posited that the cell is the basic unit of structure and organization in all living things. These two tenets revolutionized the way we think about life. The final piece of the cell theory puzzle came from the work of a German pathologist named Rudolf Virchow. Virchow, a controversial figure in the scientific community, proposed the third tenet of cell theory. All cells come from pre-existing cells. This statement, while seemingly straightforward, had profound implications. It implied that life does not spontaneously arise, but is instead a continuous chain, passed down from one generation of cells to the next. However, Virchow's work was not without controversy. Some accused him of plagiarizing the work of other scientists, most notably Robert Remak. The debate over who truly deserves credit for the third tenet of cell theory continues to this day. Nevertheless, the three tenets of cell theory, established through the collective efforts of these pioneering scientists, have stood the test of time. They form the bedrock of modern biology, shaping our understanding of life from its most fundamental level. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and give us a like.